Hello everyone, this is Dominique Amara, and in this video I will be showing you guys the Abide meditation app. This is an app that I've been using for a very long time just to help with my anxiety that I've experienced, and even when I was dealing with depression. This app has been very, very helpful, and I'm sure that it will be helpful for you all as well. So I wanted to show this off, especially since this month I've been talking about meditating on my channel. So here we go, an app that can help you to meditate on God's word. So when you first open the Abide app, you're shown the Today screen. So at the top, you'll have your daily meditation. So of course, this changes each day. You have your daily Bible reading. You also have a play meditations for section, so you can pick from some topics here. You have Bible dramas, which are very, very awesome. These are just kind of dramatic reenactments of certain biblical stories. One that I really liked, I haven't listened to all of these. It looks like they've added some new ones. But they did have some for Christmas. I'm not actually seeing them now, but yeah, they did have some Christmas Bible dramas, which was really amazing. So I definitely recommend you check those out. They also have some relaxing music, so you can listen to this music as you sleep or as you meditate. They have some stories for sleep, in which they actually have like a whole section on this, but here's just some that you can choose from. They have meditations for anxiety, since I think a lot of people's anxiety has been high over the past year or so. And so they have anxiety meditations kind of out front and center. And they also have guides that you may have started doing or completed. And we'll talk about guides a little later. And then you have a journal section down here at the bottom. Now the next section is the sleep section. Now this is one of my most used tabs in this app, is being able to listen to bedtime stories as I fall asleep. So they're adding new ones all the time. And here's just a list of all the Bible stories that they have, or the sleep stories. Now, they do have sleep stories for kids, and you can kind of tell which ones those are. They have like little cartoon images here, and they have them by different readers. So you don't see or hear the same person reading the meditations to you. They're all different people. So you can also filter it by Bible stories, by music. So if you want to just listen to music as you sleep, you got that option. Fiction, meditations, nonfiction, kids, by narrator. So if there's a particular narrator that you really, really like, you have the option of choosing that narrator and listening to all of the meditations that they've done. A couple of my favorites are James Seawood and Tyler Boss. So we'll just click on Tyler, and you can see all of the meditations that he has done in the app. I highly recommend that you listen to different narrators and see which ones that you like the best. And you can easily access all of their meditations from this section here. The next section you have is topics. So if you want to search for a specific topic and want to listen to some meditations on that specific topic, you can easily do so. Now at the top, I will say they do have some options here. They also have guides, which I told you I would talk a little bit about. So let's just click on the first one, Order Out of Chaos. So in this guide, they have 5 different meditations that you can go through. You can go through them at your leisure, however you want to. It's not like you have to wait a day to go through them. You can actually sit and go through all 5 steps if you want. And these guides will show up on the front page, the Today page, so you can get to them easier. So let's say you want to listen to some meditations on, let's say, love. So O.D.E, search. And so it brings you just a few meditations on love. I'm pretty sure that there are probably more, but they're limiting the amount of search results. Let's say anxiety. Same thing here. They have a ton of meditations on anxiety, but here are just a few of them. So yeah, if you want to search, you would just click at the top, that very on the top left, this little magnifying glass, and then you could search that way. So down here, if you just kind of skim through, you can see more meditations. And now I know you may notice under duration, you see like 2, 5, 10, and 15. So it's just basically saying that these meditations offer different durations. So you can do a 2-minute meditation, 5, 10, or 15-minute meditation. So you get to choose how long you want to meditate for those specific meditations. So next is the community tab. So under the community tab, you can read testimonials and also help other people pay for a subscription. So this app isn't free. Well, they do have a free option, but it's limited to, I believe, 2-minute meditations and a couple of background sounds. So if you want the full experience, there is a $40 a year subscription fee. So some people may not be able to afford that. So what I love about this app is that they have a way for you to help other people purchase a subscription. So if you click on the Help Others option at the top, you can fund a scholarship for someone. They'll tell you their situation, and you can just click Help this user and pay for their subscription. I have helped someone on here before, and it seems like probably something that I'll do from time to time as well. So good option. So the next section here is your profile section. Here you'll be able to view all of your journal entries, your favorites, your personal history. So as you can see, I've completed 1,000 meditations. And also you can view your downloads as well and access your settings. So the last section that we'll look at is the actual play screen. So I'm just going to click on the daily meditation for today. And here it gives you an option to select your duration. So I'm just going to say 10 minutes. Now, I paused it, but you have the option of selecting the background music. One way that you can do it is that you can just swipe to the left and choose from different background options. Now I can't hear it, so I'm just going to turn this down. So I don't know if the background music was louder than me. I'm not sure. So I just turned it down, but you can select from different background options that way, or you can click at the top left where there's like this little music icon, and you can choose from different background music options there. And so also on this screen, you can favorite meditation. So at the top, you see the heart icon. You can favorite, you can share. You can also, at the bottom, you'll see like a like and dislike, thumbs up, thumbs down icon. You can do that. You can also play the meditation on a TV if you want. You can download the meditation at the bottom. You see that little cloud icon. And you can also set up unending stream of meditation. So these little arrows that are crossed here, you can click that and it turns on an infinite stream of meditation. So I'm just going to go to the end. All right. And it'll play another meditation right after this one. And there we go, which is really amazing. I love that you can just listen to an infinite stream of meditations. That's pretty awesome. Now, when it comes to the sleep stories, I'm just going to click on one. It'll ask you how long until you sleep. We'll automatically turn the app off. So let's say you just want to listen to like a 15-minute one, you can select that. But if you want to hear this meditation as you sleep all night, you can choose 8 hours, and it'll play the meditation for 8 whole hours, which is pretty awesome. It pretty much loops it. I noticed that as I'm sleeping, I can sometimes hear parts that I know I've heard earlier. So that's pretty good that it loops it, so you don't ever have to worry about hearing nothing for 8 hours. So that is pretty much it when it comes to the O.D.E meditation app. It just helps me to get my mind in the right place when I'm struggling with something, or even if I'm not, just having a few minutes of meditation each day has been very helpful for me. If you would like, please leave a comment. You can ask me questions there and I will respond. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.